Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about the separate text in Excel. Here is an example of the name of President of the United States as below. So, for example, we would like to separate the first name and the last name from this. You can see in every name we have a different letter. So what to do for this? So we write. For example, if we would like to write the first name, we use left. So we need to count because we don't know exactly of a name person that should be placed. So we don't know the number of our chart. So we can put here first. We have one formula. We can use search. Find take a space. You see, in different in every name have space for recognize the first name and the last name. So we search space, comma, and take. Okay, you see. So we just double click and we can write here. So we also can join the formula here like this. We can replace from we can replace like this. Okay, the result is the same. So it is the first name. We can use the formula with any condition, just not practice in the first name or full name. Just if you meet the case, we would like to separate the name into column. Okay, so about our last name. Last name. Okay. Last name we write formula right here. Yes, we don't know the many text because the last name is also different from other. So we count. We need to count in a name in a letter. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, like this. So we need to count. The length function is to count in exit, including space. You can count for compare to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, etc. Okay. When we write like this, is the name is full name, so we need to minus the first name. Okay, you see. Here we could get the result, the column of first name and the last name. You also can use only one page. For example, like this. Okay. This is the one way of separate from first name to second name. I also have another idea to separate the name if we don't know much about the formula. So we can write like this. We copy the first name, we copy the full name like this, and we go to the sheet data and we paste it to column. This limit and take space. Next. Okay. Because some names have two space, that's why it see like this. But you also can join the sheet like this. Okay, then we copy and pass value and delete this. So here is the first name and last name. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any comment or question, you can comment below. Thank you for your watching.